Exercise C1, listening. Download the audio track and listen to C1 Part A. You'll hear a passage, but some of it's written down and some of it is in your ears. So listen to the passage first and then listen again and put a caret where you hear a missing word. Listen once more to fill in the missing words and, of course, correct the punctuation. You're going to hear purchasing a computer nowadays often involves choosing either a laptop or a desktop model. So you need to insert those words in the appropriate places. Continue with the rest of this short paragraph and check your answer key. Then listen to the next sound file for exercise B. You'll hear a conversation or part of the conversation, and what you need to do is choose which of the responses is the best answer to complete each conversation. Again, do this with your ears and mark your book. Then check the answer key. Exercise C2, contrasting quantifiers. Choose the best expression to complete each sentence. For example, in the first one it says, it wasn't surprising that, twins had the same opinion. Shall we use the words both or all? Well, if you know the word twins, you understand that that means two children born at the same time, the same mother. Since there are two, we should use both. It wasn't surprising that both twins had the same opinion. Number two, the jury decided the men were innocent. In other words, one was guilty of the crime. Shall we use the word neither one was guilty or either one was guilty? Well, we already know from the first sentence that the men were innocent. So that means not guilty. We should choose, in other words, neither one was guilty of the crime. Now complete this exercise and check your answers with the answer key. In exercise C3, using each, every, both, neither, and either, you can use the words in the boxes to complete the sentences. So example, for the first group we have both, each, and every. Which one of these words should we put into the first blank? Grammar and vocabulary can be hard to learn. Do you agree? We've got two items, grammar and vocabulary. So let's use the word both. Both grammar and vocabulary can be hard to learn. All right, now complete the rest of the exercises and check your answers. Exercise C4, using the preposition of. Insert the word of after each quantifier where necessary. If it's not necessary, you can leave it blank, or you can put the null sign. Neither us could agree on a course of action. Here, we need to use the word of. Neither of us could agree on a course of action. Number two, they lost both games in the last 60 seconds. Shall we put the word of here? No. Just say both games. They lost both games in the last 60 seconds. Complete the exercises and check the answer key. Exercise C5, thinking about meaning and use. Read the sentences and check the second sentence if it has the same meaning as the first. Let's do a couple of these together. Number one, there are a large number of homeless people here. There are many homeless people. Let's put a check here because they have the same meaning. Number two, a majority of the students passed the test. All of the students passed the test. Ooh, that does not mean the same thing. So you can either put an X here or leave it blank. Complete the rest of the exercise and then check the answer key. In Part C6, speaking. You can practice this yourself or write some sentences. Take a look at the results of a recent survey. 100 New Yorkers were asked to choose their biggest quality of life concern. Study the results in the chart and then write some sentences using quantifiers. Use quantifiers as pronouns when the meaning's clear. What is your biggest quality of life concern? That means, what is your biggest concern about the quality of life? Lack of parking, 5 people said this. Litter, 0. Noise, 51%. Overdevelopment, 29. Pollution, 2. Now, you can remember some of the quantifiers are no, hardly any, some, plenty of, a lot of, lots of, almost all, and so forth. These are just some of them. You can also say a majority of. For example, a majority of people complained about the noise because 51 is a majority. All right, so you can write some sentences using different quantifiers based on the information in this survey.